After touching on when you can trade Forex, let's talk about who can trade the Forex market. In essence, since the Forex market is decentralized, anyone can trade the Forex market. Global corporations, financial institutions, investors, and even the individual trading professional or hobbyist. The major player, though, that is driving the market prices as well as conducting business that can influence the market prices are financial institutions. Those are the market makers. These institutions can be central banks, commercial banks, money managers, hedge funds, investment banks, commercial corporations, mutual funds. When the trading Forex, it is really good to remember that that's $6.6 trillion per day we talked about that is being traded and moved through the Forex market, that of that $6.6 trillion, it is estimated that approximately 94%, like 94%, of that volume amount is traded every day by the financial institutions. And while your broker can certainly hedge against where their traders have orders and stop losses set in order to secure their own profits, for sure, even they are not the major players in the market. So with your, hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, even your six-figure retail account, you are not on anyone's personal radar or really even moving the currency needle of the pair that you are trading at all. And I am telling you, adopting this mindset from the beginning will go a long way in saving you from some major trading psychology pitfalls that some traders fall in. You are in essence swimming in someone else's ocean, the Forex market being that ocean, and you see the waves before you jump in. You know that the waves are there. The waves being the institutional traders manipulating price and causing big waves. So I've told you, we've gone over this. We've talked about how much moves through the market, what percentage of that market is made from individual retail traders or even groups, and what percentage of that $6.6 trillion moves from the market makers. And so don't jump in the Forex water. Do not jump into this water and begin to cry that the waves are out to get you or that they're too high. You know from the start, before going in there, you know that those waves are there. And your job is to figure out how to ride those waves and how to have fun and make money while you do it. And that is why we are here going through this course, building a solid foundation so that we can take and find our edge in the market and become that consistently profitable trader that we all desire to be.